Hello everyone. So here in this problem we have to find out the equation of straight line which is passing through the point 3, minus 5 and making an angle of 45 degree with the line x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So before starting with the solution, let's visualize the given problem. So we have to find out the equation of straight line. That line is passing through the point 3, minus 5. So let's say this is the required line and this line is passing through, let's say 3, minus 5. Next, this line is making an angle of 45 degree with the line x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So let's say this is the second line, that is line number 2, and the equation of this line is x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. This is our line number 1 and it is making an angle of 45 degree. So in this case we have to find out the equation of L1 or equation of this line. So here for line number 2 we'll first find out the slope. Here I'll say that slope as, let's say, m1. After getting the slope we have angle 45 degree, we'll say it as theta, and then we will use the identity, that is tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 inside mod. So by using this relation we can substitute value of m1 and theta and we can get out, or we can get the value of m2. So this m2 is nothing but slope of the other line. So here the other line is L1, so we can get the slope of this line. Then after getting the slope we have the point through which the line is passing. So by using slope point form we can find out the equation of line. So it's so easy. So let's start with it. So here I'll say let L2 is the line, that is x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. For this we'll find out the slope. So slope is equal to, we'll say it as m1. So m1 equal to, so it will be minus 1 by 2. After that angle theta, so let theta is equal to 45 degree, and therefore using the relation tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, we will get tan of 45 degree. Here m1, that is slope of the second line, which is minus half. Now m2 is slope of the required line, so I'll say it as m for better understanding, upon 1 plus m1, again minus half, m2 I'm saying it as m. So by solving this here we'll get, therefore tan of 45 degree, that is 1, equal to mod of minus 1 by 2 minus m upon 1 minus m by 2. So we have to solve this to get the value of m. So to solve this we have to remove this mod. So we'll be using the property of mod, that is mod x is equal to plus or minus x. So whenever we remove the mod from any number, then it might give us two values, or it might give us the positive value or negative value. So we'll consider both the values. So in this case here we will get plus or minus of minus half minus m upon 1 minus m by 2 equal to 1. So here we are getting two values, that is minus half minus m upon 1 minus m by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1. So once we'll get positive and once we'll get the negative one. So here I'll say minus half minus m upon 1 minus m by 2 is equal to 1, or minus half minus m upon 1 minus m by 2 is equal to negative 1. So let's solve this to find out the value of m. So here we'll get minus half minus m equal to, by cross multiplication we'll get 1 minus m by 2, or minus half minus m, by cross multiplication we'll get minus 1 and plus m by 2. Now by solving this, here we'll get minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to m minus m by 2, or minus half plus 1 equal to m plus m by 2. So therefore minus half minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 minus 2 by 2 equal to 2m minus m upon 2, or minus 1 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 2m plus m by 2. So here we'll get minus 3 by 2, here we'll get m by 2. So therefore minus 3 by 2 is equal to m by 2, or here we'll get 1 upon 2 equal to 3m upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 3m upon 2. So therefore by cancelling 2 from the denominator we'll get m equal to minus 3, or 3m equal to 1, that is m is equal to minus 3 or m is equal to 1 by 3. So here we got two slopes for the required line. So since we have two slopes, we are gonna get two equations of the required line. So now the required line, that is line L1, is passing through the point 3 comma minus 5 and is having the slope minus 3 and also 1 by 3. So we'll be using slope point form. So in case number 1, I'll say the equation of line in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So in the first case we are assuming m as minus 3 and coordinates of x and y as 3 and minus 5. So this is x1 and y1. So we'll substitute the values. Now here y1 is minus 5, so this will become y minus minus 5 equal to m is minus 3 and x minus x1, here x1 is 3. So therefore we'll get y plus 5 equal to minus 3x plus 9. So therefore by sending this minus 3x and 9 on the right hand side we'll get 3x plus y, 9 will become negative, minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required line. Let's consider the second case. So equation of line in slope point form is same formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, but in this case we'll consider m as 1 upon 3 and x1 comma y1 as 3 comma minus 5. So here we'll get y minus y1 is minus 5 equal to 1 upon 3 x minus 3, x1 is 3. So this will become y plus 5. So therefore y plus 5 equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 3. So by doing the cross multiplication, here we'll get 3 into y plus 5 equal to x minus 3. So therefore this will become 3y plus 15 equal to x minus 3. So therefore by taking all terms on left hand side we'll get x minus 3y, this will become negative, so minus 18 equal to 0. So this is one more equation of the required line. So here in this problem we got two equations of the required lines. Thank you.